Hi, welcome to this month's Mythbuster. We're going to be talking about agent commissions. I'm Jackie Hurtis and I'm a residential mortgage lender.
I'm Shannon, I'm a real estate agent and investor.
And I'm Sasha, Qualkenbush, a real estate attorney. And we're
The Property Queens.
All right, so I'm buying a house, Shannon, and how do I pay you? How do I come up with that 3% money to pay your commission?
Well, that's a great topic. So I get that question a lot actually. And people who don't know anything about real estate will think that they have to pay the buyer's agent, which would be myself. I'm representing you. And that's just not the case. So the seller would always pay both sides. And this takes it back to the seller. So when you're going to list your home, you should also know that there are going to be realtor fees that you are going to have to pay. So there's going to be a buyer's agent, which is a 3%, and then you're going to have your listing agent who's representing you, which is 3% as well. So just something to think about. But yes, as a buyer, you don't have to feel obligated to pay me anything because it's just not your responsibility. So.
Have you ever represented somebody and they started looking at new construction and they've been told that they'd get a better deal if they worked just directly with the builder and the builder's on-site agent?
Actually, Jackie, that has happened to me a couple of times. I've had a couple of buyers who, thought that exactly, especially with new construction. There's a lot of confusion because they're thinking that this house is getting made for them specifically. So like if we can cut corners wherever we can and save that bottom dollar, you're gonna wanna do it. However, just how you wouldn't go to court without a lawyer, you should never buy a house without an agent because you want someone in your corner fighting for you, especially in one of the biggest purchases that you're probably ever gonna make in your lifetime for most people. And the other thing is the builder generally has already set aside, like the price that you got, that he's told you as listed for, whatever the case may be, that's already assumed that 3% in there. So, the only thing you're losing is a disservice for yourself because you have no one in your corner, and the builder is happy because he just pocketed an extra 3%.
So for all of you out there watching our video and you're thinking about buying this year, reach out to us. As we just went over, it doesn't cost you a dime to get Shannon on your side out there looking at properties for you. Hit that little expand button, look at our contact information, and reach out to us because we'd love to talk with you.
Also subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.
See you next
Bye.
Tuesday.